Electric vehicles. Why electric vehicle? Is it a right time to buy an electric vehicle? We have been using these petrol and diesel engine fitted vehicles for a very long time. These vehicles have been polluting the air like anything. There are a lot of air pollution. Technically, this is carbon monoxide. As the population increases, more vehicles for mobility. In turn, more air pollution. This air pollution creates a lot of lungs diseases to the people. Whenever we talk about air pollution, we forget one important thing here, that is noise pollution. When we travel by the road, we hear a lot of noise. Vehicles engine noise, especially our own vehicle is producing a lot of noise. We are sitting on top of it and then we are traveling, the vibration, a lot of noise which gets produced that creates a lot of damage to our thinking ability. Basically, it impacts our brain. Our brain has been trained to accept this noise level, but the negative effect is the frustration. Because of this frustration level, we are losing quality of life in terms of personal life and the work productivity. Now we know the severe negative effects of air pollution and the noise pollution. So what is the solution for it? You know what I'm going to say. Electric vehicles. Today's trend, electric vehicles. In India, the electric vehicles have already started coming to the market and people are thinking about it now. But the problem is, people are just thinking whether to buy it or not. They are in dilemma. In order to make the decision, we need to know the benefits. When we talk about benefits, there are two ways we can think about it. One is the personal benefits, another one is the social benefits. So what are the personal benefits? First of all, very less expenses involved in the transportation. No need to wait in the petrol bunks to fuel up your vehicle, especially during the peak hours. Very low maintenance cost, government benefits, finally the best riding and driving experience. The first one, very less transportation expenses. How is it possible? We all know the prices of petrol and diesel every day, how it is picking up. For example, a typical electric two-wheeler consumes 1.5 unit of electric power for 80 kilometers range, which means if you want to travel 80 kilometers using an electric two-wheeler, you are just going to consume 1.5 units of electric power. Whereas if you take a petrol consuming two-wheeler for an 80 kilometers, you will be consuming at an average 1.5 liters of petrol. Just compare the prices of both. For 1.5 units of electric power, at the maximum 10 rupees. Whereas 1.5 liters of petrol is almost 150 rupees. So we are talking 10 rupees versus 150 rupees. Just think about it. Second, no need to wait in the petrol pumps during peak hours. So it may look very simple benefit, but when you start your day on Monday to office, or when you start your ride to a market, you will be just rushing and then coming back. You don't have time to wait in a petrol pump and then fuel up during the peak hours. This looks simple, but when nobody realizes that this is a benefit, but this is definitely a benefit. You just straight away start from your home and go to office, and you start from your office, come back to home every day. You just charge at your home. Next one, very low maintenance cost. If you take any electric vehicle, may it be a two-wheeler or four-wheeler, the core parts of the vehicle are very less. The moving parts are really less. You can just name them very easily. The electric motor, and the battery and then the controller. That's simple. So there are chances of these parts failing is very rare. So your maintenance cost has come to almost nothing. But like any other vehicle, you have a brake system where you have to maintain it at a regular interval. It is applicable to any kind of a vehicle. Brake is the brake. So the bottom line is it is very, very low maintenance cost. And then the government benefits. In India, central government and all the state governments, most of the state governments have announced many benefits to the electric vehicle buyer. If you take Tamil Nadu government, until December 2022, road tax is free. Whoever buys an electric vehicle, you are waived off with the road tax for lifetime. Why should you wait? The last one is the best riding or driving experience. What is this special about riding experience with respect to electric vehicles? For that, we need to understand how we drive or ride every day with a petrol or diesel engine fitted vehicles. We always have a noise from the vehicle irrespective of which manufacturer is. When this noise gets into our brain, we start feeling tired. That is what we call is travel tired. It's not that we sit at one place and then our body becomes painful, not like that. So whenever you get to an environment of noise and you get into the mood of frustration, the frustration impacts your entire body. That is called travel tiredness. So if you take an electric vehicle, the noise level produced by the electric motor is almost nothing. It's negligible and we won't feel it. Just think about a situation or a scenario where everybody on the road or driving with or riding with an electric vehicle. Just think about it. It's completely, the road is very calm and you have a pleasant mind, no travel tiredness. That's why I said best riding and driving experience. What are the social benefits? We already talked about the air pollution and the noise pollution. These two things we are going to address, because by driving or riding an electric vehicle, we are not going to make air pollution as well as the noise pollution. So we are becoming socially responsible citizens. Very important thing here is globally all the countries have adopted a policy of bringing only electric vehicles by the year 2030. We need to be aware of this. 2030 is not very far, just 9 years from now maybe. So get ready for the electric vehicles journey, because if we are going to buy a new vehicle and if you are looking for a new vehicle at this moment, please consider buying an electric vehicle instead of a regular petrol or diesel vehicles. Having known all these facts, you will really appreciate buying an electric vehicle. In future, we will be forced to buy an electric vehicle only. Very importantly, to enjoy the benefits of electric vehicle, we are in this generation, we are very lucky people. Thank you.